In this video, I'm going to show you how to add fonts in Figma. Adding custom fonts in Figma is essential for creating unique designs. Here's how you can do it. The first thing that you'll need to do is to prepare and download the font files. Fonts typically come in collections of open type files or true type files. Each font style has its own file. Second thing that you'll need to do is to install the font on your computer. On Mac, use Fontbook to install fonts. If you can see the font in Fontbook, it means it's already installed. On Windows, add font files to the font folder. Now install the Figma font helper. If you're using Figma in a web browser, download the Figma font installer. After installation, reload and open Figma files in your browser. Use your font in a design file. Open your Figma project and select the text tool. Click the font drop-down menu in the properties panel. If you're using Google Fonts, click add more from Google Fonts and select the font you want. For custom fonts, they'll be available once installed on your computer. Remember to respect font licenses and share design files thoughtfully. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.